Have you ever stopped to consider the impact of harsh words? Today, let's talk about the meaning of harsh words. Harsh words can have a profound impact on mental and emotional well being. In fact, studies show that harsh words can damage the brain and lead to depression and anxiety. It's important to consider the words we use and the message they convey. For example, instead of using harsh words, we can use constructive criticism to help others grow and improve. Let's take a look at the impact of harsh words on children. According to a study by Psychology Today, harsh words can cause long-term damage to a child's self-esteem and mental health. So, let's be mindful of the words we use and their impact on others. We can choose to use kind and constructive words that uplift and empower those around us.